Hello, English 222 creative writing students this summer, July 1st through August 9th. I am so excited we're going to have this class together and that we're going to experience such wonderful things. I just wanted to send a video, partially so you could see me, because I found with online classes, the more we see of each other, the easier it is to connect and trust each other, but also because there's some information that I want to talk to you about. Some of this will be available in the announcement that posted this morning. Others of it is unique to this video, so make sure you watch it and read both. So let's go ahead and get started. This summer, in this class, we are going to be writing creatively, which means you can write about anything in any way. There are some kind of guidelines and restrictions, which you'll see in assignments, and in fact, you'll see it as part of one of the activities for this week. But I just want you to know, like, dig deep into your creative selves and enjoy what you write. There are 4 genres that we'll be exploring. We're going to explore poetry, nonfiction, fiction, and drama, so plays, screen scripts, etc. So hopefully it'll be a lot of fun. In addition to learning about how to write and getting some prompts and activities with that, we'll also be reading examples from that, because good writers are good readers, lovies, so we got to make sure that we do that. Oop, I've got an ant in my office. Just kind of laying the groundwork there, although you'll do a lot of that activity this week, like I said. All right, so I do want to talk to you about the book. This here is our book. It is Imaginative Writing, The Elements of Craft by Janet Burroway. This is the 4th edition. It's the edition from which all the assignments are derived, so the pages, the activities come from this book. Now, if you have the 3rd edition, the content of the chapters is the same, but the try this activities and the example readings are a little different. So you could get away with the 3rd edition, but you'll have to adjust page numbers and just kind of let your classmates know if that's what you're working with. It is available in the bookstore, I think. Certainly you can get it online from Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Powell's, all over the place. I would suggest finding a used one. Also, this is a great book just to have for any writer or anyone interested in writing, whether you want to write for a living or it's a hobby. It's a great book. She's also pretty funny, so I think you're going to enjoy it. We are going to read the majority of this book. It'll be great. So let me talk to you a little bit about that. The first 2 weeks of this semester are going to be pretty heavy foundation work. There's going to be a lot of reading, a lot of discussion boards, and let's practice activities. So just know that that's to kind of lay the foundation so that the last 4 weeks of the semester you're working on your own creative projects, working with me, peer workshopping, so that you get the most fruitful product out of this class, right? So just know that the first 2 weeks are the heaviest in terms of everything that we'll do. To that end, all assignments every week will open on Mondays and close on Sundays. Monday, I will post an announcement either with a video like this or with just information about what you need to do, what you want to focus on, any information that I think you need to know. When the assignments close, that next week is when I will go through and respond to the discussion boards, grade your Let's Practice activities, answer any questions. Sometimes I'll answer them on the discussion board itself. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put together kind of like an email, not kind of like, it is an email, with information to help guide you. So just kind of be on the lookout for that. It might take me the whole week to get that done, but I will try to get it done in as timely a fashion as possible. Please remember that you're posting 1 post per an assignment. I have to read 25 to 30 of them, so please be patient with me. I promise I'll get to everybody as soon as I possibly can. Let me see, I've got a little checklist here. So every week on Monday, I think I said this, but I'm going to say it again just in case, I will post an announcement kind of guiding you. So make sure that you read, watch, check those out to guide you for the upcoming week. The class is set up in modules. The first module is called the All Semester Projects module. So that's what we're working on every week. So everything we're doing builds to those. And then you'll see week 1 and the activities that you need to do. Ideally, you'll do them in the order that I have them because I think that that's a good building point, but you certainly have some flexibility. You can jump around as much as you want. I don't know how fruitful it'll be to do that, but you're certainly welcome to do that. The only thing in terms of the order of the modules that you don't necessarily need to be concerned with are the journal activities. The journal prompts. You could do those however you want, but everything else is set up in the order that seems to be the best for building and scaffolding the information and activities. So again, do what you want to do, but know that I thoughtfully put those in an order that I thought would help you. The modules, again, will open up on Monday of every week, close on Sunday of every week. The only exception to that is the major peer workshop activity in week 5 or 6. It opens, I think, the Monday of week 5 and closes the Wednesday of week 6. So make sure that you follow those directions. Always don't hesitate to email me with any questions. Let's talk a little bit about contacting me. Usually with online classes, I let my students know that I'm available to meet with them on campus or at a library or a coffee shop. However, from July 1st through July 29th, I will be out of state. July 1st through the 14th, I will be back in Oklahoma, where I will be finishing my MFA. What? So exciting. Then July 15th through the 29th, I will be in Peru with part of this class. Part of this class is going to Peru with our first short-term study abroad program. So that'll be pretty exciting. However, I will have internet access July 1st through the 29th, Wi-Fi access, etc. So do not hesitate to email me. If you want to set up Skype, FaceTime, GChat, any of those online video chatting, we can absolutely do that. I will arrange that. So just don't hesitate to shoot me an email and let me know. After July 29th, if you want to meet face-to-face, I will gladly meet any of you face-to-face. So just kind of know that that's my my July is off campus. So, okay, off campus and out of state. All right, let me see here. Looking at my notes. See. I think we're good. So, welcome to the class. I hope you're going to enjoy it. Get the book ASAP. You can't do the first 2 weeks without the book. So make sure you get it, okay? All right. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, I will see you next week.